Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about NEET questions, NEET previous year questions of chapter number 1. It is reproduction in organism, and actually it is last 11 years from 2009 to 2019 NEET previous year questions. So before starting of this lecture, I want to do one request to all of you. If you have not gone through earlier lectures, so kindly go and check it. I'll drop the link of that lectures in description box. So either you are not able to understand this lecture, right? So you must have gone through it. All right. So let's have a look on first question. In some plants, the female gamete develop into embryo without fertilization. This phenomenon is known as a, so option A, it is parthenogenesis. Option B, it is autogamy. Option C, it is parthenocarpy. D, it is syngamy. So read the question and try to ask to the question. What are you trying to ask? So you will get answer easily. So what is trying to asking you? Without fertilization. So it is parthenogenesis. So now what mean by autogamy? See, autogamy means self fertilization. So fertilization it is there, right? So here what is asking you? Without fertilization. Now syngamy means, fusion of that gametes means fertilization. So now parthenocarpy means, parthenocarpy it is fruit formation without fertilization. So question is asking to you, without fertilization development of embryo, right? So our answer will be A. Note this answer for this question. Now second question, offset are produced by A. Meiotically, B. Mitotically, C. Parthenocarpy, or D. Parthenogenesis. See, offset of this water hyacinth. Actually, this is asexual reproduction, and asexual reproduction always occur by mitotically, right? Because there is no meiosis, that's the reason there is no genetic variation. So asexual reproduction always occur by mitotic division. So sometimes we can say it is clone to parental plants or parental cell, right? So answer will be, in this case answer will be mitotic division. Now question number 3, it is which of the following flowers only once in its lifetime? So we have already seen that in case of bamboo, in about 15 to 100 years the flowers only one time. So our answer will be bamboo species, right? Now question number 4, so which one of the following statement is not correct? So offspring produced by the, option A, offspring produced by the asexual reproduction are called clone. Yes, it is right. So micro, because as I told you earlier, because there will be a mitotic division, and that's the reason offspring will be clone, because there is no meiosis, that's the reason there is no crossing over, that's why. Now option B, microscope. So this statement it is correct. So for question is asking to you for incorrect statement, right? Now option B, microscopic motile asexual reproductive structure are called as a zoospore. Yes, it is right. So you can see here, this is zoospore, so it will having a flagella, and that's why it is zoospore. Why it is named zoospore? Because zoo means animal, and most of the animals are motile, right? And because of that motile structure it is known as, and this is spore, that's the reason it is a zoospore. Now option C, in potato, banana and ginger, the plantlets arise from the internodes present in the modified stem. So in case of potato it may, right, but there is no internode in banana and in ginger. So you can see here, actually they are reproduced by such adventitious root, or we can say rhizome, right? So they are reproduced by this rhizome. So actually the eyes of this potato or birds, actually it is internode of that stem. So hope that makes sense. Now so our answer will be C, because it is wrong statement due to they are involved this banana and ginger in this option, that's the reason. So this is wrong statement and this is our answer. And although let's have a look on this D option. Water hyacinth growing in the standing water drain oxygen from water and leads to the death of fish. Yes, actually they will water hyacinth will use, this is water hyacinth, so it will use all the oxygen of that water body, and that's the reason rest of the animal will die. Now question number 5. So this question asked in NEET in 2016. So which one of the following generates new genetic combination leading to variation? So it is very easy question. You can see that a vegetative reproduction, there will be asexual reproduction, that's the reason there will be a mitosis. So that's why this question it is wrong, this option it is wrong. Now question number option number 2, B, it is parthenogenesis. No, parthenogenesis without fertilization, actually gamete is developing into the embryo, that's the reason it will be not right. Now option C, sexual reproduction, yes, it will be a right answer. So option C, it is a right answer. Why? Because in sexual reproduction there will be a gamete formation by the process of meiosis, right? So meiosis it is there, and that's the reason crossing over it is there, and because of crossing over genetic diversity will be there. So our answer will be C. In nucellar polyembryo we have see in chapter number 2 what is this nucellus and what is this polyembryo. Actually it is also product of mitotic division, that's the reason, although we'll be having look in chapter number 2. Question 6, match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option using the codes given below. So column 1, so in this type of question do not waste your much time, kindly kindly apply avoid mechanism through which you can easily give answer in a few seconds. So pistil fused together, now pistil means carpel and fusing means syncarpy, so by this logic you can get this answer. So pistil fused together means it is syncarpous, so option A will be having this 3. So you can see here in this option, so our D will be answered, because you can see in A, B, C there is no any right answer in which A stand for this 3. So on the basis of this this pattern we can say that D will be answer. Although let's have a look whole question. Formation of gamete, so gamete means what? It is gamete, formation means genesis, so B will be having 1, it is gametogenesis. Now hyphae of higher ascomycete, so it is fungi, so it will be a dikaryotic, so this is hyphae, so it will be having 2 nucleus, right? So that's the reason it is dikaryotic. Now unisexual female flower, because it is unisexual, so it will be having only one sex organ, and it is female flower, so it will be having pistil, or we can say carpel, so it is carpellary or pistillate flower. So D it is standing for the 2, so our answer will be D, right? Now this question asked in 2015, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So binary fission showing in sargassum, it is wrong, because this is sargassum and we have stated what about binary fission. So for one cell we are getting 2 cell. So in case of unicellular organism, binary fission will be there. So this is sargassum. So sargassum, it is actually algae, and you can see the structure of this sargassum, so it cannot divide through the binary fission, right? Now option B, it is conidia penicillium, yes, it is right. Option C, offset, it is otter hyacinth. Otter hyacinth, you can see here, this is otter hyacinth, and offset will be there. Now option D, rhizome in banana, yes, it is right. So what is wrong statement or what is wrong pair? We can see this, so our answer will be A. Now question 8. So in Zinger, vegetative propagation occur through rhizome, right? So it is very easy question, we don't need to do more discussion about it. Now question 9, product of sexual reproduction generally generates new genetic combination leading to variation, yes, because sexual reproduction before fertilization there will be a gametogenesis, and gametogenesis by the process of meiosis. So there will be a genetic diversification. Now option B, large biomass. No, it is wrong for the sexual reproduction. Longer viability of seed. We will see in chapter 2. Viability of seed. It may be, varies from species to species. Now, what about sexual reproduction? Prolonged dormancy. No, there will be a no dormancy. So this is the most closest answer for the sexual reproduction. So our answer A, it is right. Now let's move to the another question. Which one of the following is correctly matched? So onion, it is wrong because onion will not having bulb. Ginger, sucker, actually ginger having a rhizome, and chlamydomonas will have conidia. Actually it is wrong because chlamydomonas it is algae and conidia. Penicillium have this conidia. In yeast and rest of the many more fungi will be having zoospore, which is motile. You can see this is zoospore. So our answer will be D for this question. Now question number 11, which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched while the remaining three are correct? So which one of the following it is wrong? Penicillium conidia, yes, it is right. We have seen this is penicillium and conidia. Now water hyacinth runner, actually it is wrong. So water hyacinth it will be having offset. So our answer will be B, right? So bryophyllum, this is our answer. Bryophyllum will be having leaf bird. Yes, it is right. But what question is trying to ask you? Wrong match. Now agave it will be having bubble. You can see this is agave will be having bubble, and this is bryophyllum it will be having leaf bird. Now question number 12, it is asked in 2011. The eyes of the potato tuber are root bird. No, it is not root bird. Flower. No, obvious it is not flower. Shoot bird. No, actually it is axillary bird. Why? Because the eyes of the potato actually it is structure of that stem or node of that stem. So we can say it is axillary bird. So our answer will be D. Now vegetative propagation in Pistia occur by, see this is Pistia, and in vegetative propagation in Pistia it is occur by offset. So our answer will be B. Now vegetative propagation in mint occur by, see this is mint, so through sucker actually they are reproduced. So in case of plant, this asexual reproduction called as a vegetative reproduction, right? So I hope this lecture may be helpful to you. If you like this lecture, so kindly subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.